Hello everyone, myself Bhumit Sagate from collegejunior.com. Today I am at SR Luthar Institute of Management, which is located in Surat, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Jimmy M. Kapadia sir. He is a director in SR Luthar Institute of Management, Surat. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello sir.
Bhumit bhai.
So sir, starting with the questionnaire session sir. My first question is, what would you like people to know about your college?
Yes. Bhumit bhai, in a very brief, this institute was set up in the year 99 when the Gujarat government started giving self-finance institutes, and we are the pioneer institute with regard to that. We started with an intake of 60 students. Today we have an intake of 240 students in our institute. We are currently affiliated with Gujarat Technological University Ahmedabad and are recognized by All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi. This institute is a part of a visionary trust, Sarvajanik Education Society, which is having more than 108 years of its existence. It is one of the largest philanthropic and democratic trusts in our country. This institute basically provides 2-year full-time MBA program to students who aspire to make their career in the field of management education. We are proud that we are a part of Sarvajanik Education Society. We are located in a very good centralized area of the city, and it is easily accessible to the students. And over the number of years, we have been able to make our mark, and our students have become alumni, and they are right now serving at various places in corporates and government jobs where they are making us proud.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what do you see as SR Luthar Institute of Management's greatest strength?
As I mentioned, we are a part of a trust which has a very big legacy of more than 100 years, and this trust is actually into academics and providing knowledge to regions in and around Surat city. Now we have this visionary trust, which is one of our major strengths. They have to the extent of 30 plus institutes and more than 30,000 students right from KG to PG. We also have at our institute one important strength, that is our particular faculty team. We are having a rich team of faculty, 21 faculties along with me, and out of that 11 faculties are already doctorate faculties, and the remaining 10 are pursuing their doctorate. 15 faculties are NET/SLET qualified faculties. 6 faculties are given the recognition by the university to guide PhDs. So it's a blend of faculties which are having experience and good qualification, which is our strength. Another strength that we have is our industry interaction. We have signed MOUs with 6 MOU partners who are into varied field like iVipanan, which is into digital marketing, Concept Medical, which is into manufacturing of stents and other products. We also have our particular MOU partner, Jainam Securities, which is into capital market. We have our MOU partner, Bliss, which is also into capital market. We have another MOU partner, that is BSC Brokers Forum. So with this MOU partners, we have a very good blend with regard to providing our students industry exposure along with the conceptual knowledge that our faculty team provides to them. And another strength with this is, due to this good bonding with the industry, we have very good placement records. On an average, our institute's placements in the past 5 years are more than 95%, and there are companies from national, state as well as local players who come to recruitment for a particular institute. So these things together, and along with the inputs provided and our alumni who are already there in the industry, this makes our strength and helps us go step by step ahead in our journey towards providing good management education and making our students not only good corporate citizens but also good citizens for the nation at large.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what are some plans that you are currently or will be designing for SR Luthar Institute of Management, International Affairs and or students?
Yes, we do have plans and we are trying to achieve those. As you rightly mentioned, internationalization is the back of the mind, wherein either short-term particular internships provided in universities outside, or to the extent of having a joint collaborative program with a university out of the country to give them the best of the knowledge from different particular continents of the world. Along with that, we also have it at the back of the mind to have more short-term courses for our students, which could be those courses which enhance their skill sets, more specializations to be provided as the need of the hour. Now, in this, what we are thinking about, currently we provide them specialization in marketing, finance and HR, but it could be that now in the current era, it could be an MBA with digital marketing or an MBA with franchising, similarly, or MBA with strategic management, which could be the specialization as the need of the hour. So that is also something which we have in our mind to provide to our students. And we are always of the opinion that we should, though we have good industry connect, we want to still increase our industry connect, because anything that is being done in a management institute has to have a relevance with what is happening in the industry currently. So having more industry connections, more industry associations is also there as one of our future plans.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
As such, there are no suggestions. The youth is well aware, they are technologically well advanced. However, yes, one thing certainly I always emphasize to all the students, the youth who comes to us also, that be very clear about where you want to go. You decide your direction and then you define your roadmap. And then this tells you that after a period of, let us say 4 years, 5 years, you will come to know whether you are able to achieve what you wanted to achieve. I would also urge all the youth not to get distracted by the digital and the social media, but to use that social media in the right perspective. It's a very powerful tool which can be used and which can help you save a lot of time and money and energy. So the youth is the backbone of the country. If they are rightly channelized, they'll make a difference and make our country proud in the coming years.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your institute, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of college.
Thank you for being at our institute.
Thank you, sir.
So, the youth is the backbone of the country. If they are rightly channelized, they'll make a difference and make our country proud in the coming years.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much, sir, for giving such informative information about your institute, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of college.
Thank you for being at our institute.
Thank you, sir.